Ahoy, John Biggs from CrunchGear here, and today we're going to be looking at the LaserShield instant security system. Big box, big LaserShield. Okay, we have quite a bit here, as you can see. This is a plug-and-go security system. Notice two little remote controls, the actual security sensor, and a communication system that actually works with your telephone. Alright, we're going to start out with the actual LaserShield device. You open it up, you have all your information in here. This is sort of the confidential stuff that you're going to use to activate your system. Here are your panic alarms and all your different alarms. This, as we see, is the sensor. It's completely wireless. You notice all it has on the back is a power plug. I suppose that's your panic alarm in case you need to inform the world that you're being touched. Power adapters here at the bottom, and last but not least, this little dongle thing that's supposed to connect to your telephone line. Okay, as you can see here, we have everything set up. This is the base unit and the broadband to telephone device, and if you follow me over here, you'll see I'm protecting my great storeroom of treasure and gold. There we have a Hot Wheels thing that makes a dinosaur head come around, and I have my old belts from karate. Actually, I took Kempo for a while. So I'm protecting those with this device right here. Okay, I ran into a slight bit of trouble installing the thing. The actual broadband connector requires you to fax something in and have it set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run downstairs, I'm going to install it on my Vonage line, and we're going to try it that way, and we're going to initiate a panic, and we're going to be very excited here around the Biggs household very shortly. Apparently we're supposed to create a panic right now. I have my phone here, and here we go. And I just...
LaserShield disarmed.
Uh-oh. Now it's calling. This phone is saying that there's no line. I guess it just called, and I guess it'll try to call back. And we shall soon see what LaserShield hath wrought. Hello? I guess I just disarmed it. Alright. So now the house is fully protected. Don't even think about it. You. Alright, so we've just installed a home security system. You also pay $19.95 a month for monitoring and $25 for activation. Now obviously this is considerably cheaper than larger, more complex systems, but it is fairly limited right now. You can add little motion sensing satellites. Those are, let me check. You can add little motion sensing satellites for $59.99. So you could feasibly put this in multiple rooms. Right now we're going to put it in the kitchen downstairs. If anybody comes in and tries to steal my sandwiches, which I enjoy, they're going to get some. Alright? Can of whoop ass here in the Biggs household. John Biggs with CrunchGear, signing off.